Hi, let's talk about NRX Pharmaceuticals. It's a clinical stage small molecule pharmaceutical company that develops various therapeutics for the treatment of central nervous systems disorders and life-threatening pulmonary diseases. The market cap is around the 457 million. Currently, they raised in one day almost 60%. So I saw even a few minutes ago 61% or so, even 65 I think. So what happened? So in May they announced this merger between NRX and Big Rock Partners Acquisition Corporation. That was back in late May this year. And yeah, simple Wall Street finds that it has volatile share price over the past 3 months and less than 3 years of financial data available. And it also marks on the Snowflake analyze the financial health 5 out of 6. Still, the Snowflake analyze looks red. And latest share price and events. So basically, we see here numbers from the previous close. There was some of the product updates, capital raising, and strategic alliance. Anyway, somehow it doesn't have any market performance more than 30 days. But it's actually, I see here, it was on this Nasdaq. I think, yeah, since the 8th of December 2017. And this is pretty straight line upside, and it only shifted, pumped in this year January, highest point 58.74 on the close. So if we look at here, it actually has had this one close at the highest point. So this is actually something I'm not sure about. Why is it not? There is possibilities that it's not connected to each other, but anyway, 30 days return based on previous close minus 42%, 7-day return minus 26. Long-term price volatility considers low as it has no 5-year volatility related to market. Industry itself is less volatile than the average market. On the valuation side, so this is unfortunately, there's nowhere any stock price targets currently available. Tip ranks, neither the Market Watch has not announced the valuation. And that's it. That is unfortunate. But future growth for the industry that they're working in, 14%. Past performance of the company shows that last year's earning growth decreased by 322%. So we see this decline happening in the earnings. So a few years ago, 2019 earnings minus 6 million, and basically last year's December 51% on the minus side, and currently March 31st minus 75 million. So the company is unprofitable currently. And on the financial health side, we see that they managed to raise the equity from the negative shareholder equity to positive. Equity is currently 6 million, debt 681k thousands, and cash 13 million. So currently they have equity on the positive side, and they have cash to close even that debt that they have. Balance sheet looks green. They're not paying dividends, and insider transactions Yeah, no transactions there. Ownership breakdown: general public holding 58%, private companies 28%, insiders little bit less than 10%, institutions 3.8%. Top shareholders, so there's currently no change data available, but anyway, it's last reporting holding date 12th of July. So we see mostly here, for example, so we see here that one of the companies is in. Anyway, based on Fenwiz, we see that it has pretty volatile share, and yeah, the volumes are raising once again, 45 million. So it has big potential to be back on those numbers that we saw previously. And simple self dividends shows that shares outstanding on the same level, and they are not producing any revenue, as this is clinical stage company. On the so this is actually very good, I think. Basically, they have this potential to reach even $62 per share. That would mean if, for example, the same level, around 15, for example, 300%. So on my side, I see here the potential could be reaching those same numbers that we saw previously on April, even in February. But it's still risky, it's still volatile, and so on. Anyway, investing.com summarizing the stock for long-term investors as a strong sell. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the future one.